Hi everyone, this is Anouk from Spreek Nederlands. Today we will start with part 2 from the tweeletterklanken. In part 1 we started with the vowels and today we will continue. I, 10, zien. Ei, ijs, 5. Ei, klein, eiland. Au, oud, mevrouw. Au, blauw, auto. Schoen, groen. Ui, huis, buiten. Europa, keuken. Ei, naai, draai. Thank you for watching and we really hope you liked the video. Don't forget to check out part 3 and like and subscribe. Tot ziens!